There you go, that's our copy of Bailey's made. It's got a better shelf life than any of the other ones, better than my original recipe 3 or 4 years ago. This will guarantee last 3 months. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making something I made 3 years ago. We're making Bailey's. You can go watch the video, I'll leave a link in the description. However, this new version, virtually same, slightly ingredient change, changes this up, and this lasts 3 months. Guaranteed. There's no fresh cream in here, but it still tastes like Bailey's. Okay, we have got Jameson's. I've just poured it into here actually, and you can see it is Jameson's. We'll pour a little bit more in. Look, there you go. We're using Jameson's, but what I will say is, if you've got a nice whiskey that you drink, it should be Jameson's. But if you've got a nice whiskey you can drink, use that. If you can't get Jameson's, you're still going to get a very good Bailey's copy. Okay, we are sticking more original. Okay, so there's a real bottle of Bailey's there with Bailey's in, and we'll compare the two when we've made it. Okay, this part of the recipe is exactly the same as before. This is how I prefer it. This is one of those milk frothers. This is instant coffee. That is, in fact, that's 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. This is 1.5 tablespoons of water, and we're going to froth it. We're going to make it creamy. There we go, it's coming now, look. Now this is my preferred way because you don't get any lumps of coffee in there and you're not using too much water. It smells absolutely fabulous. There we go, we have a coffee paste. Now this is what's going to make this shelf stable for 3 months. This is evaporated milk in there. Now, for all the people who get confused between evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk is exactly what it says it is. It's had most of the water evaporated out of the milk, which leaves creamy milk. This is sweetened condensed milk, so get that in there. This is the sticky stuff. That's the difference between this and that. This is our Jameson's in there. We want to be adding our coffee paste in there, and we are going in with a couple of tablespoons of chocolate sauce. 1, 2, easy as that. That's chocolate syrup. Give it a little stir, get it off the spoon. We might as well have it in there. And there's the usual typical ingredient which I always forget, vanilla in there. I always forget it in everything. So that's us done. Off there. We need to get pouring. Now obviously ours is going to be a little bit frothy. We haven't had time to settle it down yet, so we just need to just pour that in there. Oh, it don't matter. It don't matter if it's a bit frothy. Look at that. Let's have one of these in here. Is there a difference? I'm not sure. Okay, you're gonna have to really accept that I hate this part of the job. Okay, we got the Bailey's, we got ours. Ours is carrying a bit of froth. The Bailey's isn't. It's about the same runny consistency, look. Bailey's. Fantastic. As always, ours. Fantastic. Well, I'm going to have to do a comparison here again. It's not quite right, I don't think. Ours is lovely and creamy. Okay, ours first, then Bailey's. That is delicious. Bailey's. There you go. Pretty good. If I would say anything, actually, I would say that the Bailey's is a little bit stronger on the whiskey than ours. I think we could add probably another 50 ml of whiskey to that and it will be exactly the same. There you go. Shelf life 3 months guaranteed. We've got evaporated milk in there, we've got sweetened condensed milk in there. There's no fresh cream. This stuff, stick in a bottle and use it like you would Bailey's. In fact, just stick it in the fridge, bring it out cold. Superb. There you go, that's our copy of Bailey's made. It's got a better shelf life than any of the other ones, better than my original recipe 3 or 4 years ago. This will guarantee last 3 months. If you like what we're doing, don't forget share with your friends. Tell them. Or tell all your friends who like Bailey's. This is easy to make. Save yourself some money if you don't buy the Irish. Get a nice whiskey. Make it up. No one's going to know the difference. This stuff, quite expensive depending where you live. Easy to do. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel or ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. You got to make sure it's okay. That is pretty good. Now there is value for money. Oh, and a little bit left.